In this video, I will discuss how to create a do file. In video 1, I introduced this button, which is New Do File Editor. And today, we're going to go into do file and see what it is and how to write code. In the link down below, you can access this do file I wrote, video 3 do file. Right now, let me introduce the basic interface of a do file or do file editor. A do file is usually a combination of comments and code. Right now, we're seeing comments, which is usually what you will see when you first see a published do file on the internet or shared with you from your professor or your colleague. And then you will see some code, which is color-coded as blue, and then end of the do file. Notice that this do file is numbered. So this is helpful for collaboration, also your own purposes, tracking which line. If I'm discussing a published do file or a shared document with a colleague, I will refer to in line 39, I wrote sys use auto, clear. This is a common reference system. So in this do file, we have several big buttons to click. File, Edit, View, Language, Project, Tools. The most useful ones for now is to save, File, Save As, or Save All. Remember to save your progress throughout. So that is Control S on Windows and Command S on Mac. The first part of the do file is a long block of code, line 1 to line 29. In this block of comments, we have information about who wrote it, the date it was last modified, the purpose of the do file, and specifically what this do file will do. We have information on the input data set, where it's located, the output data set, where it's located, and what new variables are created in this do file, and give 2 examples or dummy variables, date of birth and sex. And in addition, you can put additional notes that are useful for analysts or people who are reading this. This is a lot to write. I recognize that. If you are just doing this for homework, I would recommend write this block, and that will be enough. When you have a bigger project, those information are very useful for you later on and for your collaborators. There are 3 types of color, as you will see. The first type is green. Green is comments. There are 3 ways of commenting. The first way is using /** combination. Everything included in this combination will be recognized as text. Second way of writing comments is use star followed by anything. Stata is not very sensitive to spaces. So star space is recognized comments, which is the same as star no space, which is recognized as comment, and you see it is green. The third way of writing comments is double slash, double forward slash, /1, /2, then write anything. And this is an example of commenting or typical loading in a data set. So you write in loading data set, then you write your code, says use auto, clear, then you write another comment, // auto is a Stata strip data set. Let's run this line together and come to our results window. And we see 1979 automobile data is loaded, and we have variables populated in the variables panel. The last thing I want to introduce you to is a feature of do file editor. It's called bookmark. It is styled as **# followed by any comments, space or no space. And this is useful when you have a big or a long do file and you want to jump from places to places or jump from section to section. If you've written in R and there's a similar function in R, your bookmarks will be shown in your lower left of the do file editor, which is here. Click on it and we can jump from loading dataset to cleaning. Notice cleaning is line 81 and loading dataset is line 32.